Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. I have a tag video for you today. I was tagged by my lovely friend, Bella D Designs. Hi, Bella. In the, I think it's called the Clean House tag. So I'm going to get right into that. I'm sorry I've been a little bit MIA here on YouTube. I haven't been feeling great, but I wanted to get on and do this tag video. I've really been loving hearing other people's answers and hearing their favorite cleaning supplies and routines and things like that. So I wanted to jump on real quick and do mine. So let's get into it. I'm looking down at my iPad because the questions are here. So let me get started. How often do you clean your house? Daily, weekly, monthly, etc. I definitely do a little bit of cleaning every day. I have two boys, one that's almost 4 and one that is 5. So definitely like picking up toys. I try to do like maybe a load of laundry or dishes, whatever needs to be done really. But definitely not like deep cleaning every day. There's no way I don't do that. Do you have a certain style or method of cleaning? Zone cleaning, a schedule, one chore a day? Like I said before, I definitely try to do one chore a day. And if I get overwhelmed, because I hate cleaning, like chores stress me out and I don't like having a cluttered, dirty house, I do kind of start with the biggest surface that has the most clutter and start there and declutter it and then work my way out. Like a lot of times it'll be my laundry area. If you haven't seen my video on my laundry area, it's kind of in the middle of our house. So it's a big space that is very visible. And I will link that if you're interested in seeing that. I will link it up top. But it can get really cluttered really easily. So I like to clean that off first and then kind of move out from there. What is your least favorite room or area to clean? That would definitely probably be the bathrooms. It's my least favorite area to clean, but it's my favorite area to be clean because it's such a place that has so many germs that I like it to be clean, but I don't like actually cleaning it. What is your favorite room or area to clean? I would probably say my family room because we are in there most of the time. I like that space because we're sitting there a lot of time. That's where the TV is. I like it to be neat and orderly in there. What is your least favorite chore to do? Dusting, mopping, dishes, etc. I would say probably dishes. I hate doing dishes, and even though we have a dishwasher, I just don't like doing it. What is your favorite chore or a chore you don't mind doing? I don't mind doing, I don't know. I don't like doing any of it. I guess I don't mind vacuuming. I don't really mind wiping surfaces down. I don't mind dusting. So really dishes I don't like doing is the biggest one. What is your favorite brand or supply or tool? I actually brought some to show you. In my kitchen, this is what I use. I have 7th generation everything. Disinfecting wipes are always in my kitchen to wipe down the counters. They kill 99.9% of germs. And you can eat right off the surface afterwards. Like you don't have to wash it down like you do with bleach wipes. In my bathroom, it's Clorox bleach wipes. Everything is Clorox bleach wiped. So it just depends on the space. What is a cleaning solution or product you do not recommend? I bought a mop kind of Swiffery kind of thing at Target. I don't even remember the brand. And it came with like this almond scented solution and it was terrible. It smelled awful. I could not stand the smell of it. I don't even remember the brand. I used it once and got rid of it. It was just, I could not stand the smell. So I wouldn't recommend it. I don't even remember what it was called. But anything almond scented, it's just not me. It's not my preference. Can you share some of your favorite cleaning hacks with us? Cleaning hack would be these scrubbing bubble bathroom. They kill 99.9% of antibacterial or bacteria, and they're flushable. So you can wipe your toilet down wherever you want and flush them away without having to do anything else. You just flush them. I also live by Mr. Clean erasers. They clean everything. My tub, my sink, my walls, everything. I use them on everything. So those are my hacks. And number 10, have you or do you or would you have a cleaning company come to your house and clean? Why or why not? I actually do have a cleaning company come in every other week and like deep clean my house. And I've had that for a while. I've switched companies. You know, it's just nice to have that extra assurance that it's going to get done. I don't know as if I will continue to. I've had it for a while. I don't know. I'm just on the fence. It never gets done to really my standard. Like, I always feel like I'm going back over it and redoing spaces, and I don't know. So I do, and I think it's a great idea. If, you know, if you're interested in having that, I say more power to you. I have liked it for a while. You know, it's nice to have that extra little help, but I know it's not for everyone. Last thing was tag some people. So I am going to tag my girlfriend Shatanya the realtor. I want to tag Amy Ann, and I would also like to tag Really Good Living. I think she might have already done it, but I want to tag her, and Deborah Gabriella. I think she's already been tagged too, but those are my people I'm tagging, so I would love to hear yours, girls, and I hope everyone has a fun time doing it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and this is Kylie. I'll talk to you next time.